25th Ward Alderman Byron Sigcho Lopez was at the Pilsen shelter tonight, hosting a meeting with all residents. He says the Chicago Department of Public Health is working to vaccinate the remaining 13% of residents that do not have proof of vaccination. A team from the CDC is now coming to Chicago to assist local health officials after a second case of measles at a Pilsen migrant shelter involving a child was reported Sunday. This is the third person in the city to have contracted the dangerous virus since last Thursday. The Chicago Department of Public Health says the child is now in good condition at a hospital. The first child who was infected with measles has recovered and is no longer contagious. In the meantime, an investigation is underway to determine if the children came into contact with others while contagious. Teams from CDPH and other healthcare partners have been on site at the Pilsen shelter throughout the weekend, screening residents for symptoms and administering vaccines as needed. Infectious disease expert Dr. Damilola Adiemi says those who got the measles vaccine as a child have lifelong protection, but those who have not are susceptible to contracting the virus.
If somebody who is infected with measles coughs, sneezes in any area, it can hang up in the air for the next 2 hours. The people who are infected can infect up to 90% of people that they're exposed to who are not immune.
Residents at the Pilsen shelter who were recently vaccinated have been encouraged to quarantine at the shelter for 21 days. CDPH's commissioner says in a statement in part, quote, "We have advised all unvaccinated and newly vaccinated residents of the quarantine period, but some of those residents have left the shelter, and I want to acknowledge that." Migrant volunteers say they warned the mayor's office of this scenario as a result of lack of safety protocols. 25th Ward Alderman Byron Sigcho Lopez describing the shelter conditions to ABC7 as overcrowded, with the Pilsen shelter at 800 people over capacity. And tonight, Chicago Public Schools saying this most recent case of measles involves a CPS student. And out of abundance of caution, CDPH has advised families at the shelter to keep school-age children from attending school on Monday. Karen.
Watch breaking news on YouTube. Subscribe to ABC7 Chicago Eyewitness News.